Imagine the immense challenge of transitioning from a war zone back to civilian life, grappling with experiences that most people cannot comprehend. For many American service members who returned from Vietnam, this transition was often compounded by significant struggles with substance use. The extent of drug use after Vietnam was notably high, particularly for heroin, marijuana, and amphetamines. While estimates vary, studies indicated that a substantial number of returning veterans faced issues with drug dependency or used substances as a coping mechanism in the post-war period. This elevated drug use stemmed from multiple interconnected factors. Exposure to readily available and often cheap illicit drugs in Vietnam, especially heroin, created an initial point of contact for many. Furthermore, the profound psychological toll of combat, including high rates of post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSD, led many to self-medicate their emotional pain and anxiety. The lack of adequate mental health support and a sometimes hostile reception upon returning home further exacerbated these issues, leaving veterans feeling isolated and unsupported. Understanding this context helps us appreciate the immense challenges faced by Vietnam veterans and the critical need for comprehensive veteran support services. It highlights how the long-term impacts of war extend far beyond the battlefield, influencing individual lives and families for decades. A key distinction emerged between situational drug use, often prevalent in the stressful combat environment, and actual addiction. Many service members used drugs while deployed but ceased upon returning home, demonstrating that the environment significantly influenced their patterns. However, for others, particularly those with untreated PTSD, this situational use transitioned into persistent addiction, underscoring the deep psychological roots of their substance dependency. Ultimately, the widespread drug use among Vietnam veterans serves as a stark reminder of the hidden costs of war, illuminating the urgent need for society to recognize, understand, and address the complex needs of those who serve, ensuring they receive holistic care and support rather than facing their battles alone.
If this history moves you, like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below.